Hello guys, el día de hoy trabajamos con la página número 96, page 96, and we have this experiment, okay? Listen and draw what happens. Vamos a dibujar qué es lo que ustedes creen que pasa. Para eso tenemos este audio. We have to listen carefully. Vamos a escuchar detenidamente, okay?
Track 67. Put the ice in the sun. Is it hot or cold?
Okay, dice put the ice es ese cubito de hielo. Put the ice on the sun. Okay, let's see what happened. Is it hot? Is it cold? What happened with the ice if you put them under the sun? ¿Qué pasará?
Or cold? What happens to the ice?
¿Qué pasa? Me lo van a dibujar en esta parte de aquí. Okay, that's number 1.
Put the ice in a dark place. Is it warm or cool?
Okay, now we are going to put the ice on a dark space, on a dark spot. What happened? Is it warm? Is it cool? What happened to the ice?
What happens to the ice?
Last one.
Put the ice in the freezer. Is it hot or cold? What happens to the ice?
Okay, now nos dicen, put the ice in the freezer. Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it hot? ¿Cómo está ahí en el freezer, en el congelador? I think it's cold. What happens to the ice? ¿Qué le pasa al hielo? Dibújenmelo. Me lo dibujan en estos cuadritos. This is the freezer. This is a dark spot, dark place. Para que me hagan esos dibujitos, ¿ok? Then, escuchamos nuestra canción de Believer. Así que lo hicieron muy bien, niños. Thank you. Nos vemos entonces en 2 weeks. I hope to see you here. Diviértanse, but remember, we need to be careful and we need to be safe. Nos vemos entonces. Have a great vacation. Have a great weekend. See you later. Bye.